money and you, the relationship between you and money, how you can with this discipline from this.
Many of you have the high energy, raise your hand, guys.
Welcome. This is day three, and on this day three, I'm going to talk something special and something important about MFP program. What is that MFP program? MFP program, Money Foundation program. So far, you have learned day one and day two, and in this day and day two, you have the idea that how to work with the words. I have talked about the success at Sage Mode. That's number one. I have also talked about how you can continue to progress and attract and activate the three elements, and how to get into the axis. I'm talking about money and you, the relationship between you and money, how you can align both of the axes, yours axis, money axis together, because you know that because their core element is the same element, the three element which I have talked earlier. आपको क्विकली बता दूं कि मैंने पिछले 3 एपिसोड्स में अब तक एमएफपी प्रोग्राम के बारे में जो बातें की है, मनी फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम के बारे में जो बात की है, किस तरीके से आप सक्सेस एट सेज मोड एक्टिवेट कर सकते हो. इनफैक्ट यू आर द प्रिंस, यू आर प्रिंसेस, यू आर किंग, यू आर क्वीन, एंड यू डिजर्व टू बी ब्लेस्ड like that. How sages used to bless in ancient time and make things happen for their disciple or their loved ones the way they wanted. In fact, you too can have the same success story written for yourself. How can you? For that आपको day 1 रेफर करना चाहिए. डे 2 के लिए मैंने बताया कि किस तरीके से आप 3 एलिमेंट्स जो मनी के अंदर है और आपके अंदर है, आप उसे एक साथ ट्रिगर कर सकते हैं. एंड डे 3 में मैंने ये बताया कि किस तरीके से आपको और मनी एंड यू बोथ आर रिलेटिव. ओके, आप इन दोनों के एक्सिस को अलाइन करने वाले हैं. नाउ द टाइम हैज कम फॉर डे 4, एंड इन दिस डे 4 आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट वेरी वेरी प्रोफाउंड एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज कैश फ्लो requires cleansing. Okay, you require cleansing. It's all about cleaning your money and cleaning your own self. Like Ken Honda, you always talk about it, the happy money. Okay, if you want to know more about that happy money and what is missing in the happy money, then you must be the part of 2 days of boot camp, where I get into the deeper level of that and give money result to most of my students and clients then and there, just within 24 hours. Isn't it cool and very much exciting? If you think that you deserve that and you can qualify to receive that, if you have that power, then you are most invited to be the part of that. Having said so, the core part which I was talking about in money and you, what happens exactly आपके और मनी के बीच में जो cleansing part आता है, all those obstacles, all those feelings which had been the interruption in the flow of money, you need to go back, discover it, and you need to cleanse them. Okay, there are various methodologies and various ways to cleanse them up. Like I had learned from Joe Vitale Ho'oponopono, so that you can use that. I have learned the advanced version from one of my mentor in Happy Thoughts. He talks about happy or mono. That's amazing. And these all coined from Dr. Len. So remember to get into that, remember to understand that and identify all the cleansing ways so that you can identify how you can cleanse your money, how you can cleanse yourself, and go back at the day 3 and align both the things, and then tap into the silence zone and strengthen the power to bless yourself, and just like a sage mode, and attract all those things. I am in a rush, and that's the reason I'll be ending this live now. And you need to just remember how you can cleanse your money, the future money, the existing money, and the past money. At the same time, your relationship with the same money, and those hurdles, obstacle, and interruption in the flow of money which was associated to you, how you can cleanse yourself and the related person and the relatives who were mean, and the medium behind transacting those amount, those money along with you. So you need to cleanse those relationship as well, relationship with yourself, relationship with those people, and relationship with your money, and also to money itself. And if you can find that there is a way that you can go ahead and declutter all these things, those spaces, those links, you can do that. To learn more about it in detail, I would like to invite you in my in-depth programs. But for now, understand this was the day 4 about the cleansing. Day 3, I talked about the finding the access of you and money. Day 2, I talked about how to trigger the 3 elements of you and money. And day 1, I talked about how to strengthen the power of word so that you can attract success at Sage Mode. You were listening to Kumar Gaurav, Business Abundance Coach. Love, light, blessings, and make more money. Thank you so much.